大家好，欢迎来到我的小博客。Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Victoria and we're learning Chinese here. So if you're not a member yet, subscribe. I share weekly tips and resources here. So the verb to be can be translated into Chinese not only as 是 but also as 在 and 有. This is some very important grammar for the beginner level, but somehow it's often overlooked. Let's fix that. So 是 is reserved for identification when something is something. 我是老师 I am a teacher. 这是一本书 This is a book. 昨天是我的生日 Yesterday was my birthday. Now, in sentences about location, we use 在妈妈在这儿 Mom is here. 你家在哪儿Where is your house? So far so good, right? Now, how can 有 have the meaning of to be? We usually know 有 means to have, to possess something. But let's look at this sentence. 桌子上有一本书 There is a book on the table. So for sentences that tell us the existence of something somewhere, we use 有. How would you translate the following sentences? There is a pen in the bag. 包里有一支笔。There is a dog outside. 外面有一只狗。There are no students in the classroom. 教室里没有学生。There is an important note for all of this. As a general rule, in Chinese, the subject is always definite, which means it is known from the context and it is something that in English we would usually use with the definite article, the something. That's why you can't say 一本书在桌子上。一本书 a book is indefinite. So to follow the general rule and to have the subject as something definite, we need to pick a different structure. The correct structure for this would be 桌子上有一本书. The table is definite, it is known from the context, so it becomes the subject 桌子上. And 一本书 is indefinite, a book, so it comes at the end of the sentence. Another common mistake that we often make when we translate sentences from English into Chinese is that we often use a definite noun after 有. It works in English, but not in Chinese. In English, we can absolutely legitimately say, I have your dictionary. A definite noun, your dictionary, follows the verb 有, to have, to possess, to own. But in Chinese, we can't say 我有你的词典 because 有 is not normally followed by a definite noun. It's usually followed by an indefinite noun. So the correct structure for I have your dictionary would be 你的词典在我这里 because it's not like I own your dictionary. That makes no sense. The dictionary is yours. I can't own it. But what we want to really say is location. The dictionary is located here. And with location in Chinese, we use 在. So it would be 你的词典在我这里. Literally, your dictionary is here with me. Now try to translate the following sentences. Write in the comments below how many correct answers you have got and stay tuned for more tips and insights from me. 谢谢大家耐心观看，下次再见，拜拜。